Quack, quack, everywhere a happy track. It's the animal parade today, so clap your hands and shout hooray. Benny the bunny bounced with cheer, wiggled his nose and said, I'm here. Soft and gray with fluffy feet, he loved to share his carrot treat. With a hop, hop here and a hop, hop there, he jumped around without a care. Clara the cow came next in line, black and white and feeling fine. She mooed a tune and rang her bell, and gave her friends a milky smell. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there, Clara spread joy everywhere. Harry the parrot flew up high, colors brighter than the sky. He flapped his wings and gave a shout, Rainbow Lane is what it's all about. With a squawk squawk here and a chirp chirp there, he sang and spun through the air. Daisy the duck in yellow boots waddled along and gave out hoots. She splashed in puddles left and right, her giggles gave the sky more light. With a quack quack here and a splash splash there, she danced like she hadn't a care. Milo the monkey swung from trees, tickled leaves and laughed with glee. He tossed bananas in the air and landed back without a care. With a ooh ooh here and an ah ah there, Milo made friends everywhere. So come along and wave your hand, join the happiest group in the land. Rainbow Lane is full of fun for every child and everyone. With a smile, smile here and a hug, hug there, it's love and joy